Hello. Early this morning, I had a trigger. I was in my morning meeting at work, and then all of a sudden, somebody said just triggered me, and I just went into this episode. Like, I was just panicking, and then all these things was on my mind. I felt like that. And then when it's been so busy today, and I've just been like working. And then when I finally had time to come in my office and sit down, so I used my emotion wheel. As I put my hand over my head like this. Well, first I figured out my age. That was panicking, and it said between 5 and 6. And then once I knew the age, I figured out what was the emotion. And I got resentful. So I used my emotion wheel. I was like, okay, so then I asked my pendulum and my board, I was like, what tool should I use? And it said R2S. And so I did R2S, and I kept it there, and I healed. I talked to my little one. I've been getting better at communicating with my little one. And I tried to figure out I figured out what was going on. Cancel, clear, and delete. Saying trying. But I figured out what was going on, and apparently it triggered from something like from time in school, because it's kind of funny how work and school can kind of be kind of similar. And so that's where my little one was feeling resentful, came up of how I felt, and at that time when I was that age, between 5 and 6. And then I was able to catch another one, which was like 4th grade, that I was feeling resentful too. And so once I figured that out, I asked my pendulum again. I said, okay, so should I keep doing R2S? And it told me yes. And so I kept it there, and, I did R2S, and I healed it. And once, how I knew is because I felt this shift in my stomach. It's like this feeling. And all those thoughts and everything just start going away. And I felt so much calmer and so much peace. And I even checked the number. And, I was like, you know what? Even though I was like, I'm going to keep it there just a little bit longer. Just a little bit longer. And, I felt that shift, though. That's how I knew I healed it out, because I felt it. My little one was calmer. He wasn't panicking no more. And this is like another report. I've done it again. And, just thank you, because the pendulum and the board and Amy showed me the motion wheel. Like, all these tools are wonderful. Like, they are really helping me, and I'm learning how to utilize them. And even tribal's just been great. It's been life-changing for me, And I even told my friends, she's like, how you feeling? And I was just like, I feel good. I was like, I used some tools to heal me. And she was like, wait, what? And she just gave me this look. But, I know that piqued her interest. It's just like, wait, what? And so thank you again.